Hi everyone, welcome to Buvis e-learning. Today we are going to see how to create a presentation in seconds using AI. Usually we take a lot of time, but using AI we are going to finish within a seconds. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe, press the like button and share to your friends.
Now we are going to see AI presentation maker free. If we give that in the search bar, we are going to see many websites of AI which makes presentation, that is nothing but PPT for our document to be presented in our business meetings or in college for a paper presentation like that. So in that first website is slidesgo.com, which is an AI presentation which has many languages over here. Next is designs.ai free presentation maker, and next one is webpeak AI presentation maker which generates for free, and next one is simplified free AI presentation maker in seconds, and Decktopus AI. And if we go on, there are more AI. What is AI? Which is nothing but artificial intelligence, which is a technology which thinks and acts like a human, which performs and acts as a human. So this technology helps us to generate the document in a seconds. So next is Appipie, and next one is SenseTips. Let us try a new AI website. So I'm going to choose the SenseTips, and this, let us enter a topic over here. Introduction, of artificial intelligence. Let us give over here. Let us see how it presents the presentation. So we are getting the page like this. I think it has an upgrade version also. First we have to log in. I have already logged in over here using my Gmail ID. So here we have some steps to generate our presentation. So I have my question. The topic is introduction of artificial intelligence. You can give up to 3000 characters over here. Otherwise, if we have a Word document, you can upload the document over here and click the next. I have given the topic alone, so I'm going to click next. So next we can choose the language for presentation. Here there are several languages. I'm going to choose English and click next. Who will you present this to? I'm going to click it for friends or students. Next, choose the best title for your presentation. So it generates a few titles also. So I'm going to give it as a demystifying artificial intelligence, a beginner's guide, or let me choose artificial intelligence revolutionizing the future. I will give it for first one itself. Next, how long would you like the presentation to be? We can even select the slides and the minutes also over here. I'm going to just give the summarized, which has 6 slides and 10 minutes long. Generate my presentation. So it is going to generate the presentation in the topic of artificial intelligence. Let us see how it is going to be presented for us. So at the left side, this website name is SenseTips. It has my library. If you have already given any topic for presentation, it will be stored saved in the my library. And the presentation templates also is there. We can choose in different templates over here. So it's ready. Let us review our presentation now. Click review slides. So I have given the artificial intelligence revolutionizing the future, generated with SenseTips.ai. You can remove this also if you don't want, and give as the presentation is presented by your name or your friend's name or your team members. So next we have here more options. The slides are at the left side. I have given the first option to generate, so we have only 6 slides. You can choose for a summarize also, it will be 12 or 15 slides like that. You can give the slides count at the beginning itself. So next here we have play option and share also. You can share your PPT, and I'm going to click play now. You can set the layouts over here, and the configuration is also here. So I'm going to choose the layout theme color as yellow, so you can see the changes over here, or blue or violet, and we can give here layouts. So there are many options over here. You can give the questions or slides. Okay, so next let us play how our slide looks over here. Let me give the purple and let us play the slides. See, to start the presentation, just press here to start. So our presentation is ready. As we don't have to spend more time to prepare our presentation nowadays, so artificial intelligence technology helps us more. Just you can give the topic and it generates the slides. At last the question session is also there in the PPT. You can create it like that and make use of the PPT. So completely it has generated applications, benefits and questions of AI, future of AI. So if you like this website, you can make use of this 10 steps for creating a presentation which is AI technology used over here, or else there are several options to create for a presentation. You can choose any one of those. Have a happy learning. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe and give your comments in the below. Thank you all.